Marinig.
And now it's time to interview our winning coach, Coach Leo Oscar Saludo. Coach, congratulations. Naghabol kayo by as many as 13 points, but you escaped with a victory. What's your thoughts lang on how the game turned out and the players also who stepped up big time?
Well, after so many games against Ginebra, we all know that they will be having a good start because they know beating San Miguel is really something for every team. And we addressed that to our players, and they have a good start. And I thought na it will go all the way, but because of the experience of the player against Ginebra, and they fight back, and they were able to cut the lead and tie the score. And then in the second half, meron na naman silang run, and then we're able to catch up and take the lead. And then another catch up nila, maka-all, and then possible na makaraan, but God is on our side. Medyo nag-miss Brownlee sa free throws, and then we're able to capitalize on that. And it's a nice game. It's a tough game for both of us because they know the importance of this game. And I'm so happy with CJ. In spite of foul trouble in the first half, I think I allow him to play. Even he has four fouls. And that's the confidence I'm giving to a lot of players. As long as they are focused and composure nila na andon, I think there's nothing wrong with them.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Hi Coach, good evening, congrats. Could you just talk about yung play lang that led to Don Troliano's three-pointer? Was it exactly the play that you guys drew up, or paano po nangyari yung situation na yun?
I think that's after an inbound, and then nakuha namin yung hindi namin na-shoot, and then nakuha namin yung offensive rebound, and then we all know na CJ will be having the ball, and they know na they will try to stop CJ on his penetration, but his confidence with Don is really there, and Don, I'm happy for him. He made that big shot. I think that's the difference. And he's doing that in practice. And these two guys, in practice, they can do whatever they want as long as they are in control of the game.
CJ, paano mati-describe yung foul trouble mo early, gano'n ka frustrated? Ano yung frustration mo doon?
It's frustrating kasi yun nga, sabi ko nga sa kanina, pumunta ako dito para mag-basketball, hindi magpakit sa bench. So, ayun, nakaka-frustrate siya, pero yun nga, nag-focus lang ako, stay composed ako, nilaro ko lang yung laro ko ng second half, and ayun, nagbunga naman. Yeah, we're grateful na nanalo kami.
CJ, good evening. Nag-struggle ka nung first half, no? Inano mo ba na baka makabawi ka sa second half? May iba kasing players ganun pag first half tuloy-tuloy na yung pero sa kaso mo, anong naisip mo?
Actually, sa trust ng coaches and teammates ko, alam nilang kaya kong bumawi anytime. Siyempre yung actually, di lang naman ito yung mga larong may ganun ako yung mga foul troubles. Pero yun, second half, look forward ko lang talaga yung second half. Ako lang sa flow ng game. And ayun, naging worth it naman yung pagiging patient ko ng second half.
Coach, yung namang depensa nyo kay Brownlee kasi I think si Pato na yung nagbabantay kay Brownlee. So, talk about yung matchup na yun na a taller defender guarding Justin Brownlee.
Actually, before the game, Justin Patton asked us na if he can guard Brownlee, but we're hesitant because of we know Brownlee is really good. Whenever his guard is bigger than him, he can shoot from the perimeter. He can outrun him. He can drive, and that's what happened. But that's not only our game plan. We have a smaller guy. The start is Lassiter, but they took advantage of it. And the next is Justin Patton. The next is Motau Tua and Kahidig, especially in the second quarter. So we're able to limit his production at the time, but still Brownlee is Brownlee. He was able to score at 31. But the good thing is he was not able to get a lot of rebounds, only 3 rebounds. And actually in this game, the big thing is our rebounding. 63 versus 48. But this game is all about defense. And if you notice, we scored 85, they scored 82, and the shooting percentage is 35 kami, and then they are shooting is 38. Imagine that, against a top teams, So defense is something to do, have something to do with their with this game.
Coach, isa na lang. Yung import mo si Justin Patton, kumusta naman yung adjustment niya? So,
Yeah, I think slowly keep on adjusting to the team because he don't know yet the full system of the team, yung sa other place, and then still trying to figure it out. And imagine, 1 week pa lang siya dito, and he was not able to practice after our first game, and he's really tired, and then we're doing our best na for him to get ready in the game. And the good thing with him is very responsive siya dun sa mga sinasabi namin sa kanya. Okay.
And with that, we end our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
bakit ka pa?